We're on the trail to Pohoiki. It's raining and there's so much steam. Look at this, guys. It's from the rain and the lava is still hot. It's just steaming out of the ground. It's amazing. And the coconuts, they're marking the trail. Coconut trees. There's one over there amongst the steam. And isn't this cool? Look at this. It's really cool. Amazing. There's the coconut trail towards Pohoiki. Here's the ocean. And it's a lot easier this time than last time I hiked out here. We're hiking to Pohoiki with a couple of my buddies. It's gonna be a fun day. It is raining, but we're gonna make it a blast. I mean, just look how cool this is. It's just amazing. Let's see, the steam is probably really bad. Here, let's wipe off. And then it instantly goes steam again. Okay, well, I'll check back with you when I get out of the steam cloud. There's the road. We'll just hop on the road and walk to Pohoiki. Very steamy day today with the rain. And the coconut trail. Sprouted coconut trail. And we're right on the edge of the lava and the jungle. That was a lot easier this time with a trail that's marked. Way better than last time I hiked out here, and it's been used a lot more traffic on the trail, and it was about 2 miles. Took us what, 40 minutes? Yeah, 40 minutes. That's it.
It's like 9:30. We started like 8:30 or something.
What time is it?
It's like 9:30.
Okay, so yeah, about 45 minutes, and we did take a break, and here's the rest of the crew. We just followed the sprouted coconut trail, and we're right here on the road, the red road, and the lava flow. Jungle meets lava flow. We made it to Pohoiki. The water is looking kind of green. I wouldn't necessarily swim in here. Here's the boat ramp. Pohoiki boat ramp. And they're talking about dredging it. You can see that the sand has blocked it. Blocked boats from landing and taking off from here. Get you another view. Now we're looking at the boat ramp, straight down the boat ramp. And this is Pohoiki Park, parking lot, shower, and more parking, lava flow that almost took out Pohoiki. Quite amazing. Rainy, stormy day today. It's beautiful. We made it to Pohoiki. The sand is rough, but that'll just take time. You can see that it's like a rock, and the waves have not made it into a fine sand yet. And we're looking at the pond next to the boat dock and the red house. It's raining a little bit. Get my umbrella out.
His daughter.
Beautiful beach. This is what the sand looks like. Kind of rough. Here. This is the 2018 flow where it entered the ocean, and this is very difficult to walk on. You can see this is what the Hawaiian call lava, and this is Pohoiki lava, which is an older flow, but it's a different type of lava. You can see it's much easier to walk on the Pohoiki flow. Right? This type of lava easier to walk on than your lava flow. And again, this is the 2018 lava flow, and I'm not quite sure when this Pohoiki flow was, but it's definitely easier to walk on. Cute little praying mantis. Beautiful. Beautiful. All these yellow butterflies, beautiful. We're on the red road, hiking back from Pohoiki. I'm going to start hiking over the lava. Oh yeah, here we go. It's the ripest one I've found. We could survive off noni. You could eat this. It's the noni fruit. Yeah, you could eat that. Along the red road in the inundated area of Pohoiki. I found some noni. You can eat this. Noni, you can eat the leaves. The leaves are better than the fruit, to tell you the truth. Leaves are like a spinach. Give me a closer look. So many butterflies. So cool. We're along the red road, hiking back from Pohoiki. Got a small cemetery right here. Local families. We've got a little mango grove road thing going right here. It's pretty cool. We're along the red road. It's one of my favorite spots. Back at the homestead, it's raining, so you hear rain on the tin roof. It was so awesome, so much fun. This is my second time hiking. I'll provide my first video that I did about 4 weeks ago now. It was so much fun. It was a lot easier this time because we weren't hiking around and exploring, you know, and going all these crazy spots. The trail was pretty much set and we didn't have to explore and find our way. Now the trail is marked and it's easier to get through, and there was lots of steam. Now I know you might be concerned, but that was just steam from the rain. It's still hot out there. The lava is still hot. That's why they stopped the road construction. They took bids on repairing the road, you know, the county did, and they're like, it's a little too hot, so we're gonna hold off for a little bit longer. So that's kind of interesting, right? Now if you walk out there, like I was saying, it's about an hour hike over the lava. There's not a lot of shade. You probably want to go early in the morning, have a hat, an umbrella. I broke my umbrella out there because it was so windy, but hey, it saved me from the rain and the sun. Even though it was cloudy, there was times it was sun, lots of sun, and still is dangerous. You know, you can get burnt even when it's cloudy, and it did rain a lot when we were out there. I got soaked from the steam just walking over the lava flow, right? So be prepared for, you know, a 2.5 hour hike, right, from McKenzie Park to Pohoiki. And if you Google it, yeah, it's about 2 miles. And the last time it took me it was hard. It was much harder because we were winding around, like I was saying, and the trail wasn't as established. There's been lots of traffic. People go out there and surf every day, which I'm finding out, you know, when I go out there and talk to people. It's really cool. You know, I'm like, you go out here every day? That's really cool. I like it. I dig it. You know, and the surf wasn't very good this time, but other times it's been awesome and fun. Be careful when you swim out there. There's no lifeguard. There's no help, you know, and bring plenty of water. Bring some snacks and some food. There are plenty of coconuts that you can eat, but hey, you know, you have to be skilled to you know, gather coconuts, I guess. I don't know. Or you can watch some of my videos. I'll provide links in the description box to my original video and some other videos that might help you while you survive the trek out there. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I want to thank you for watching. If you're new here, subscribe. Please like this video, comment. Love all your comments. Hit that bell symbol to get notifications. Yes, check out the description box. Jeremiah Bullfrog was flying the drone, so shout out to him. Check out Strange Hawaii. I'll provide a link in the description box. Till next time, hooey!